I'm going to make my favorite recipe of pasta. In a pan here, I have some oil that's heating. So I'm adding a little garlic. I totally love the flavor of garlic. I'm going to be grating some Parmesan. I'm going to be adding some cheese. Into my Parmesan, I'm adding some green chilies, finely chopped flattened parsley. This goes cream, egg yolk number 1, egg yolk number 2. So I have some pasta boiling here. Straight into this, and you just keep stirring it up so that with the heat, the egg yolk gets completely cooked. The creamiest, yummiest pasta. Some garlic and peas. And if you feel you're missing a little basil, just throw it from the top. Take a fork and dig right in. Yep. Yummy!